ओके, क्वेश्चन देखो, चैप्टर नंबर 18 एच सी वर्मा का है। उससे क्वेश्चन है ये, डाइवर्जिंग लेंस of focal length 20 centimeter and a converging mirror of focal length 10 centimeter are placed coaxially at a separation of 5 centimeter. Where should an object be placed so that a real image is formed on the object itself? तो देखो, बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है। द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय लेंस, image formed by a lens should lie at center of curvature of mirror. In that case, the light rays will retrace the path, okay, and they will again come back to the starting point, that is the object. So how the diagram should look like? So let's say this is your lens, okay, and this is the concave mirror. This is the diverging lens and the concave mirror. This is the principal axis, correct? Now let this be the center of curvature of the mirror. So since the mirror is given to be having focal length of 10 centimeter, so this distance will be how much? 20 centimeter, correct? This is the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. Now I should place the object somewhere over here. This should be my object, such that when the light rays start from the object, after passing through the lens, they are deviated such that they go like this. Okay, light rays are coming from object, after passing through lens they are deviated in this manner. Okay, and now since this light is directly coinciding with the center of curvature of the mirror, so it will retrace the path. So this light ray will come back along the same path. So as the light ray is coming back again after refraction through the lens, it will come back over here and meet again at the focus, correct? So same, I could draw one more ray over here also. So let's say I draw one more ray over here. So this is my second ray going like this. Okay, then after passing through the lens, the second ray would be refracted by the lens such that it goes like this. Okay, and again since this light ray is coinciding collinear with the center of curvature, it will retrace the path. Okay, it will retrace the path, come back and again meet at the object, right? So that's it. Now let's say that this distance is x, okay, and the distance separation between the mirror and the lens is 5 centimeter. This is given to be 5 centimeter. So this will be how much? Whole is 20 length. This is 5. So this will be how much? 15 centimeter. So image is formed at 15 centimeter behind the lens. Okay. So u equal to minus x for the lens. V equal to minus 15 centimeter. And focal length of the lens is how much? It is 20 centimeter, right? So according to sign convention, we will write down as minus 20 centimeter. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So minus 1 by 15 centimeter plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by 20. So solve this, you will get x equal to, so this will be 60 centimeter. Okay, so the object should be kept 60 centimeter away from the lens on the opposite side of the mirror.